Today, let's discuss the past 10 years previous year questions of INICT. See, INICT is a previous year topic based exam. जितने सारे प्रीवियस ईयर टॉपिक्स है लास्ट 10 ईयर्स के उनसे ही मैक्सिमम रिपीट्स आती हैं लाइक इन प्रीवियस ईयर नवंबर 2024 151 questions came from this topic, and this year May 2025 approximately 111 questions came from this topic list only. So if you master the previous year topics, at least 60% you are going to get the marks. And अभी तुम लोग INICET नवंबर देने वाले हो. So there is a basic difference between the INICET May and INICET November also. November INICET is specifically designed for the interns of AIMS, because AIMS भी चाहता है कि AIMS से ही selection हो. So they are interns and only AIMS interns are eligible to give the November INICET. Other colleges interns are not eligible. So November INICET is a bit easier compared to the May INICET. You can expect a bit of easier questions. And the another point is, because it is taking in mind of the curriculum of the interns, so internship की चीज़ें क्वेश्चन में ज़्यादा आती हैं, जैसे कि वायल्स, जैसे कि चैनल्स, IV cannulas, and all the internship stuff that is present in the curriculum. Let's discuss with the first subject, that is anatomy. I am only highlighting the VVI topics. You can get the topic list. The link is given in the description box below. Muscles of mastication, it is also important for NEET PG also. Base of skull, mainly the foramens and which nerves passes through each of the foramen. Jugular foramen was asked twice in the recent years. Terion, they actually asked the question of what are the structures behind the terion and what structures or bones form the terion. Just doing the previous year topics is also not completely sufficient. You have to do the previous year questions from authentic apps like Marrow or PrepLadder, and you have to see the direction in which direction the previous year topics are being asked. ज़्यादा चांसेस है कि उसी डायरेक्शन से पूछेंगे, जैसे कि टेरियन का बिहाइंड का स्ट्रक्चर्स पूछते हैं. सो हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी चांसेस कि और क्या क्या स्ट्रक्चर टेरियन के बिहाइंड रहते हैं, ये वाला क्वेश्चन पूछे. Blood supply of the brain is also important. Branchial arches derivatives are very much important. Nerve function and injuries, especially the upper arm nerves and the common peroneal nerve, which is injured in fracture neck of femur. It is asked repeated number of times. Holocrine gland histopathology is also asked. Coming to physiology, cell junction and cellular transport is important. वन कॉमन टॉपिक इज द टिटेनाइजिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी. कभी कभी क्वेश्चन कैसा देते हैं, ये वाला देखो, ये वाला डायग्राम देखो. सो इसके नीचे गो फ्रीक्वेंसी का हर्ट्स दिया रहता है, यहाँ पे मेंशन नहीं रहता है कि कितना फ्रीक्वेंसी है, एंड दे टेल यू टू कैलकुलेट द टिटेनाइजिंग फ्रीक्वेंसी. सो वन अपफिल इक्वल्स टू 1 second. So this is 3 second. The contraction period is coming to be 3 millisecond. So 1000 by 3, it is coming to be 333. This is coming to be the triternizing frequency because 1 by contraction period. Sleep cycle is very much important. REM sleep is especially asked most number of times. Factors increasing the GFR and decreasing the GFR. Biochemistry, glycogen storage disorder, and like the NEET PG only, vitamins are very much essential. Pathology, the coagulation pathway, APTT, PTINR, then the Hodgkin's lymphoma. As I said in the November INICT, more common is the vials, blood transfusion reaction, all the important internship related things. Pharmacology, the numericals are very much important. Teratogenic effect of drugs. Also, the fetal alcohol syndrome is important. Then the anticholinergic drugs are very much important. Monoclonal antibodies notes, it is available for free. You can check the description box below. You can get the link to the PDF, all the INICT important things at one place and it is for free. SGLT2 inhibitors, it is the hot favorite of INICT. They ask the side effects that it can cause limb amputation, it can cause lower limb fractures more, it can cause UTI. Lithium is also VVI. At what level of lithium it is used as therapeutic and what level it is used as preventive, what level causes which toxicity and all, you have to remember that. Anti-cancer drugs very much important. In my image bank, you will get a anti-cancer drug with a diagram. I have taken it from the first aid USMLE step 1. And the recent FDA approved drugs are also important. 2018 onwards you will get in the site. Just type on Chrome FDA approved drugs 2020. If you want to study 2021, type 2021. You have to see which are the important drugs. उन्हीं ड्रग्स को पढ़ना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Just mechanism of action and what it is used for. If you click the link, you will get everything. If you want me to provide it, I will provide in my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box below. Microbiology sterilization is very much important. The fungus is very much important. Chromoblastomycosis, porotrichosis तो बहुत बार पूछा गया है. Parasites, ova and the eggs are very much important. Forensic medicine, toxicology part is important and the sexual crimes are important. In PSM, biostats is very much important. They love to focus on biostats. Sometimes extensive numericals regarding kappa stats are also given. डॉग बाइट मैनेजमेंट नीट पीजी में ज़्यादा पूछा नहीं जाता है बट आईएनआईसीटी में ज़्यादा पूछा जाता है एंड मेनी टाइम्स लोगोज आर ऑल्सो गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. सो ऑल द health programs are very much important for the INICT, which are not that much important for the NEET PG perspective. So all the logos you will get in my image bank, the link is given in the description box below. You can check it. Coming to ENT, so the auditory pathway ecolima was asked repeated number of times. 3 साल में 5 बार पूछ लिया था. So वो तो बहुत ही important है. ऑप्थाल में थोड़ा सा रिपीटेड टॉपिक्स कम रहती हैं एंड आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स क्वेश्चंस अ बिट डिफिकल्ट द ऑप्था इज. इन मेडिसिन इंटर्नशिप, acid base balance, then tension pneumothorax. If you need to know only one emergency, that is the tension pneumothorax management. Every intern should know it. So tension pneumothorax is very much important. COVID, during the COVID era, it was very much asked. So in infections, COVID and HIV, dengue are important. Pediatrics में माइलस्टोन्स ज़्यादा पूछते हैं. नीट पीजी में माइलस्टोन्स नहीं आती हैं ज़्यादा. सो मैंने एग्ज़ाम के पहले भी बोला था माइलस्टोन्स पढ़ने का ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं है नीट पीजी के पहले. बट फॉर INICT हर ईयर आइदर मई और नवंबर में एक को क्वेश्चन आता ही है. Severe acute malnutrition definition repeated number of times it was asked. इन सर्जरी जैसा बोला था कि IV कैनुलास, GCS is very much important. If you need to know one scoring in internship and MBBS, it is the GCS scoring. So they ask you mostly the GCS scoring only. Bile duct Strasbourg classification is very much important. Acute pancreatitis, all the scores, Ranson score, and the management of acute pancreatitis, appendicular lump management, these are important. In breast, TNM staging of tongue is also important. TNM staging of lungs is important. TNM staging of cervical and vulval cancer is also important. Physiological changes in pregnancy, they love to ask. Drugs used in postpartum hemorrhage and the step by step management of postpartum hemorrhage, they love to ask it. Types of ovarian cancers, where do you get Karl Exner body, where do you get Schiller Duval bodies, these are the questions they commonly ask. Amenorrhea is very much important. In psychiatry, mainly the addiction part is very much important. In anesthesia, instrument images are given. In anesthesia, the capnography charts are given, and CPR is very much important for anesthesia. Orthopedics, the bone tumors are important. Giant cell tumor से बार बार questions पूछते हैं. So giant cell tumor is a very much important topic. Angstpon is very much important. Osteoporosis is very much important. In radio, because most of the signs are covered here and there in other systems. So the radio topics are a bit gist and repeat ज़्यादा नहीं हुई हैं. In dermatology, leprosy is very much important because one health problem in dermatology you need to know it is the leprosy only. Herpes zoster has been asked repeated number of times. Vitiligo, in vitiligo they specifically focus on the segmental vitiligo. Repeated number of times they have asked questions on the segmental vitiligo. So in my digital image bank you will get images of all of the diseases in dermatology. All 19 subject images are there. You can check it out in the description box below. If you want to get the PDF, the link for the INICT PYT list, which also contains the INICT May 2025 questions, you can get it from the description box below. All the best for your INICT.